Welcome to Boxing Rated. Today we're going to be unboxing, testing, and rating the DJI Mic Mini. So stick around and let's get right into it. Got some stickers. Let's get into the product. This little bag feels real nice. Got your little fuzzies. Whoa. Got your charging port. Little grips at the bottom. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's got a little bit more weight than I thought, but it's not too heavy. This right here is real light, but... Alright, so first we're going to test the Osmo Pocket 3. We're going to use the built-in mics that it has. Testing, 1, 2. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a test using the Pocket 3 connected with the Mic Mini. Testing, 1, 2. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so for the following test, we're going to hook it up to our phone. So first things first, you grab your transmitter. First of all, let me point out on the transmitter, you have this little dial on there, and that's for your gain. Alright, so it starts off at 0, and then you can go to -6, -12, or if you go the opposite way, it will be +6, +12. So right at the bottom, you gotta take this little cap off, and then you get your USB. You're gonna slide it in. Has an arrow right there, and it's a very faint arrow, but there's an arrow on there too to show you where to slide it in at. So we're gonna slide that in, and from there, just plug it up to your iPhone or whatever USB-C compatible device you have. We'll stick it in there. Let's switch over to the phone camera. And I got the AC blowing right into me, or not right into me. I got the AC blowing right at me. All right, now we're gonna test the gain up and gain down on the transmitter. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. That's on 0. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. That's on -6. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. That's -12. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. That's on +6, +12. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. We're about to do a noise cancellation test. The Mic Mini has a pairing button. It has a pairing button at the top and a power button at the bottom, and a green LED light. If you press the power button once, that yellow light will come on that says that the noise cancellation feature is on. Press it again and it goes off. One thing I really like about it is that it auto connects to the Pocket 3, which I'm using to record this video right now. I think what I'm gonna start doing is just putting it up here. Just do my videos like this, or maybe out to the side a little bit. I'm gonna leave it up there for now though, so I can see how it looks when I look back at this. I like that it comes with 2 mics, and you can hook them both up simultaneously to the camera, to your phone. If you use your phone, the transmitter itself has a little light. It's 1 and 2, but it'll let you know which one's connected. I like that you can leave the little fuzzies on, close it up, Honestly, I don't have nothing bad to say about it. I like it. I enjoy using it. I think it's nice, cool, sounds good. Maybe need to mess with the settings a little bit. Overall, I think it's worth the price. If you want to check out the price, the link's going to be in the description. I'm also going to link the camera that I'm using, which is the Pocket 3. I really hope this helped. If you want my honest reviews, you can subscribe. If this video specifically helped you, consider liking the video to let me know, and tell me in the comments what you want me to review next.